to my channel. I thought I would make it a whole day with those braids in my head. I really did. I thought I would make it a whole day, and I couldn't. So I have shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. And now I'm just simply going to treat my hair as a cream, with no style. Just treat it with some argan. Is it Argan Magic? Argan Magic. And I'm just going to let my hair rest because I know it went through some things today. I know it did. And I've already detangled my hair. I took time in that shower and I apologized to my hair. I told it how sorry I was. I would never put that stuff back in my head again. I sure did. I was like, I would never put that stuff back in my head again. Unless it's used in a different kind of way. And that way won't be figured out no time soon. No time soon. So I'm going to put my little part right here like I always do. Like I always do. Get ready for some moisture. So I'm going to go in with the hair cream first. And this is in a bottle and it squirts out. Smells refreshing. You smell a hint of perfume in it. I felt my hair feeling dry and starting to feel brittle. I was like, no, this ain't gonna last a day. Not a day. I'm not gonna do my hair like that. So now I'm just adding the cream. The cream is just melting into my hair. I left my Felicia Leatherwood brush. It's okay. I'll use Denman. I choose Felicia first because she really can get down with my coarse hair. But the Denman don't get down with my coarse hair. Mind you, unless I use the little one. And that's when I had my teeny weeny afro. Then Denman was on point. But the Felicia, she gets every tangle out. So I'm just brushing my hair slowly, making sure every strand gets coated. Making sure it's moisturized. Because that's what I feel like I need to get back in my hair. Moisture. So the ends are covered. The hair strands are covered. That's good. That's good. That feels so much better. That feels so much better. Just can't jump out there, y'all. You gotta research this stuff. If you don't research this stuff, your hair gonna let you know. Your hair will let you know. My hair was mad at me all day. Every time I try to separate something, it'll just freeze up. I'm like, what? Well, I'm trying. I put oil on my hands and I put oil on every strand. My hair was like, I don't give a damn what you did. Don't you ever put that stuff in my head again. Ever. Yes. Yes, Your Majesty. I would never put it back in the hair again. So it's going to the white cabinet behind me. Yep. My hair tells me what it likes and what it don't like. And I listen. My hair does not like hard, crunchy stuff. I'm gonna have to go get my brush, because this ain't working. Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna go back and rebrush the other side too. This brush right here and my hair. Now, I'm not saying that it worked good for everybody's hair. I'm not saying that. But when you find something that works for you, you hold on to it. You hold on to it. So, right now I'm just adding cream. And this is just a video to tell you guys, watch stuff that's thick and if you get a funny feeling at first, if you get that funny feeling, take heed to that funny feeling. Because I had that funny feeling. I had it. I'm just rebrushing this side. I had that funny feeling and I did not listen, and my hair has been pissed off all day. All day. All day. All day. You can spend Christmas with your kids and you can stay all day. I ain't seen my kids since they were babies. That's a movie I would never, ever forget and will always be a classic for me. The Color Purple. Down. I mean, this is just me showing you guys how I bring my hair back from the dead. What, Candy? How I bring my hair back from the dead. Find you a good moisturizing product. Okay, now we're going to go in with the curl cream, the defining curl cream. Enhances waves and curls while adding definition. Paraben free, a lightweight moisturizing curl defining cream for maximum frizz prevention. Ideal for wavy or curly hair, medium to coarse. This ultimate curl potion will spotlight every ringlet, smooth wave, and eliminate frizz without feeling stiff or sticky. Did you hear that? And that's what I had. Stiff and sticky. Okay. Ooh, it's a creamy consistency. Let me add a little bit more, because I think my hair needs a little bit more. But it's a good creamy consistency. Oh, it's light. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is a good moisturizing wash and go. There will be no gel added. My hair has been through enough. I was going through some of my things and I found my old wet line extreme gel. Well, not old, but I have been using the green one, I think. And I found my clear one. I'm like, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So you see my hair looking hydrated. The curls are there. Now I'm going to do this side. comb it out. Add the defining curl cream. Oh, this is nice. What, Candy? What? Why you always want to talk to me when I'm recording? Like, you want your hair done? Stop. Get down. This is a good moisturizing wash and go. In the morning, I probably only maybe have to add a little fenugreek spritz. But I'm not adding no gel to it. It's been through enough. Make sure y'all watch that video, the one prior to this one. Let's see something else. This is a lightweight moisturizing curl defining cream with maximum frizz prevention. Ideal for wavy or curly hair, medium to coarse. Pretty much the same thing. Curl portions. Not stiff, sticky. The other one has vitamin E, shea butter. Can be used on all types of hair. I like the fact that it's creamy and moisturizing. Bringing those two parts together. Then gonna bring these three parts together. She's stressing about something. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Now let me put this defining curl cream on here. Don't need that much, but this is a little spot. And it's so creamy and light, guys. It's just like, yeah, hands is just creamy and light. You see how I try to get between them fingers. I don't believe in wasting no products. You just smell Robert in there cooking and trying to get in there where he at. He ain't gonna drop nothing for you. I'm the only one that do that. Oh yeah. Now this is just plain old moisturized wash and go. Hair feeling soft to the touch. Hair feeling curly. You can feel the curls. You can see the curls. And it's moisturized. The moisturizer plays a major fact in my hair growth. Moisture plays a major fact in my hair growth. And see, so we still got some daylight outside, so it's going to air dry. That's the treatment for today. So this is the video for today that saved my hair for the video from yesterday. Okay, I should have never put that video out, but hey, I show y'all the real. I show you what you shouldn't do, what you should do, I don't want you to mess up and do the same thing I did. So this stuff right here is not for braid outs like you think. It's for braids, locks, twist gel. This is some heavy duty, ain't gonna use no more unless I wipe my booty type of stuff. No. It's going in the white cabinet. It's going in the white cabinet. Look at that. Oh, my hair feels light as a feather. Light as a feather. So if you're new to my channel and you would like to see me continue on my natural hair journey, please go ahead and subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button and listen to Candy in the background. And also click on the bell icon and select all, because I put out videos daily, weekly, daily, every other day. Whenever I feel like doing something in my hair, I do it. So I can't even think of a week I didn't put out a video. Anyway, that's what your hair is supposed to feel and look like. That's how you know your hair is moisturized. Look at that. She gonna forgive me now. She gonna forgive me now. That's not white, that's gray. I have gray hair. I'm old school, baby. I'm old school, baby. 76. 76 is when the chapter began. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to keep God first in everything that you do, and I do mean everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.